In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Philips product warranty. So the first thing you have to do is you want to go to their official website and you want to scroll down to the very bottom over here where you can see it says consumer products. Over here, it's going to also say product registration. So just click on that. And then here you'll be able to essentially register your product to unlock extended warranty and other benefits. So to do this, you can either create an account if you haven't done that yet or log in if you have My Philips account already. So if you don't, which I'm assuming you don't, click on create an account over here. It's going to ask you for a few things over here, such as your email, password, first name, last name, and then over here your birthday and stuff as well. And then you can click on create, or you could also sign up using Apple, Facebook, or Google. Now, whenever you do this, you'll have to confirm your info, and then you will receive a token, which is basically just like a verification code to your email. You're gonna have to go to your email and put in your verification code over here as well to actually confirm the email. And once you do this, you'll basically automatically be signed into your account, and then your dashboard is going to look like this. Now, inside your dashboard here on My Dashboard, you can go ahead and hit register your product over here, or click on register a product down at the bottom left in the menu. And then in here, to actually register a product and get the warranty, you will have to first type in your product number or barcode. Now here it's going to say that usually product numbers start with 1 to 3 letters followed by numbers, and as you can see here, this is like the example, and then the barcodes are 8 to 13 digits long and printed on the bottom or side of the product box. Now here you can also click on where can I find my product number, and you'll be able to do that for a specific group of products. It's going to show you how to do this, and here you can also see which barcode do I need to enter, and then it's going to show you a few things over here as well. So just find either your product number or barcode, type it in here, press the search button, and then after you do that, you'll be able to essentially just register and enable your product warranty in case it's eligible. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.